Hi, my name is Drishti Nemani. I am from Gujarat, India. I have studied in Mumbai for 3 years in Sheila Raheja Institute of Hotel Management. Now I am studying in UCB doing Masters in Culinary Arts Management. The advantage studying in UK were, like back in India, we just need to study for 3 years, and then after that when we go for a job they directly ask for the experience, which we didn't get in India because we were studying for the whole time. Wherein in here we work part-time and we study part-time. So eventually we get both the experience and exposure in practical and in job by doing a job, and theory and practical in college. And the other advantage was we become more independent when we come to here, and we understand how the life goes, and without the family and everything. I would definitely ask students to come to UCB, as this college offers Masters in Culinary Arts Management, which I have researched like for a year, and I didn't find any college but the UCB. But yeah, I find this college better in terms of practical and theory, as in India we are just into theory, we're just into practical, wherein here we get both exposure in theory, the management part of the culinary and the practical part of it, so we learn more. So the lecturers are very supportive, like any doubts or anything we are struggling with, they just be there right whenever we want to. We just need to mail them and they are like, okay, come whenever you can. After I graduate, I would like to explore the food media and a food development side of the industry, so it really interests me a lot, so I will like to do that. The 3 words I would say for the UCB or this course was, it's very challenging, it's very well time managed, and it's very informative and knowledgeable. Yeah.